Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of propagating techniques. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding these methods can help you propagate plants effectively. Let's get started. Air layering is a method of creating new plants by encouraging roots to form on a stem while it is still attached to the parent plant. Unlike traditional cuttings, air layering allows you to grow a new plant with an established root system before separating it from the parent. Select a healthy branch. Choose a healthy, mature branch on the tree. Make an incision, about 12 to 18 inches from the tip of the branch. Make a shallow horizontal cut around the stem. Apply rooting hormone. Dust the cut area with rooting hormone powder to encourage root growth. Wrap with moist sphagnum moss. Wrap the cut area with damp sphagnum moss, or other suitable material, and secure it with plastic wrap or foil. Wait for roots to form. Over time, roots will develop within the moss. Cut and pot up. Once the roots are well formed, cut the branch below the rooted area and pot it up as a new plant.